weren't expecting that, were you?
Hey Airsofters, welcome to another episode of Airsoft Mandalorian. We are playing at OSG Paintball in New Durham, New Hampshire today. This is the final round of Operation Cobra. I'm using my Matrix Zombie Killer M4 with the Lonex A1 motor and 9.6 battery. I would say I'm carrying my electric CYMA Glock 18s, but like I said in earlier episodes of this game, I forgot to bring them, which will definitely hurt me later in this round. So, hope you guys enjoy. It's just a simple game at Halo Village where you can get their flag in the cone in the 20 minutes allotted. So, hope you guys enjoy. So, let's get down to the gameplay.
Cover me. Clear me, cover me. Oh, sorry. No.
Oh, sorry. No.
I'm a medic. Sorry about that. Sorry. Dang, sorry.
I'm sorry, no, I didn't tell you. It's all good.
I am so sorry. I have a fast gun. I am so sorry. You okay?
Yeah, dude, that just really hurt.
So I just put a brand new battery in this gun.
Dude, don't worry. Honestly, no one can tell. I'm sitting in the corner.
Yeah. Well, I'm a little bit jumpy. What are you doing, man? I need more freaking guys up here. What the crud?
No one's moving up. We really have to say this right now. We need to get more people.
Yeah, no doubt. Love this gun when it works. You okay?
I just wonder where I should go. Where do you want me to go? Should I go bridge? Should I go on top?
We can try.
Go up the stairs and just dive under?
Be careful because they have pretty good control of that. I just stay right here. Just watch them. Make sure they don't try to flank us, okay? You weren't expecting that, were you? I said you weren't expecting that, were you?
Where is the shots from?
I don't know. Oh, it's a ricochet. They're coming in from there.
Where are they coming from?
I don't know. Hey, blue in here.
Guys, blue on the stairs.
Blue on the stairs, guys. You know what? You sit here because they're trying to flank us. Come over here. Right here where I am. I want you like right on the corner because they're trying to flank us. Now, use the stairs as
Do you want me to go down these stairs and go under?
you could try, but they might be trying to flank us.
I know that's
I need more freaking people.
can't have two people in the biggest, like, the most open spot.
Hey, come on, get up here.
Get over here.
Blue!
Get over here.
Fucking get up there. Round this way.
Push.
This way, now! Dang. Crabbles. I don't know where the heck they are. Tell them to get up here. Eat it, Mitchell!
Is that Mitchell?
Yeah. Just wait till he pops out again. Oh, yeah, baby! That M4 is no match for this thing. You might want to stay here again. Yeah, I think you can do that legally. Okay, good. Come around the side. Run. Move up. Another guy's coming up. Move in. Get in.
Get in. Come on. Get down.
Get down. There you go.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we got another person. Okay, you watch the stairs. Shoot anybody who comes down from that.
Oh no, Tink, that's me. We got blue here.
Team, guys, come on, team blue.
Blue's on over here.
Where? Where?
He's literally on the stairs. He's looking through.
I see him.
There
you go. Ah, jeez, where's my gun? I don't like that guy.
Want me to attack him? You sprint down.
I can try to get him with a hand grenade. Careful.
That would mean it's fully done.
Yeah, it's empty. He's right there. Okay, we need one more guy up here.
One more. And I think
What?
I'm putting my hand on the stop.
Okay. Just
No, it's not even me.
then just don't do it.
If the phone breaks the seal on your face, you're taking your mask off. If you got an issue with that, you're not starting them off.
He's like right there. Guy right there. Who was it? No, he's behind us. Dang it. He's right there. He's not. Oh, dang it. Curse it. I'm jammed. Shoot him. Careful. You got him?
I hit him! Did you get him? I hit him!
Mitchell, you're done.
Okay guys, the gun's doing the same exact jamming problem that did in an earlier operation and an earlier episode. If you guys have been keeping up with my videos, you'll know that when I first introduced this M4 on that day, that the second round in, it had an electrical jamming problem caused by the system not giving the motor enough power to fully cycle the gearbox, hence the jam. Well, I thought that I had fixed the problem. It had a few loose wires. I'm like, okay, that fixes it, and I guess not. The electrical problem was much more deeper in the system, and I was like, stupid thing. As soon as I got home that day, I called e-bike and was like, yo, you need to get me a new replacement because this thing is bloody ridiculous. The gun is brand spanking new. And they're like, yep, got you covered, and they gave me a new gun, which has worked flawlessly for me. But the problem is present, so I have to call myself out to go get a new gun. Now, if you remember in the narration at the beginning of this video, I said I was going to have a problem because I had to remember my sidearms. The whole day, I was fine, the gun worked great, and now, the one time I didn't bring sidearms, I really needed them, so that's a problem. So I gotta call myself out, go get my secondary gun, which is my AK, and then hopefully get back in the game to hopefully do some damage. Now, if I had been thinking, I would have just gone down the stairs and would have tried to pull the enemy flag out, which is in the cone, but I wasn't thinking, because who cares if I had gotten killed, I had to go out anyways. But, you know, you always think of those things afterwards, so that's life. And I didn't get this guy out with a hand grenade because I threw it too far. And if I had been also in the start, I just would have run up and tried to chuck at him at close range because who cared if I had gotten hit? I had to call myself out anyways. So, I'll be back in a minute with the AK and see if we can get any more good shots in.
Hey, buddy. Is my light flashing? Yes. Thank you. Not too bad. Sweet. Coming through, don't shoot me. Where the heck are they? Huh? Yeah, I just got hit. Ah! Who holds the hill? Huh? Dang.
Well, guys, that's the end of that game and the end of the day. It kind of stinks having to end the day on a loss because you're kind of like, nuts on the way home. But hey, if you lose it all, you never learn anything. Though all I learned was something I already knew. If you don't start on the tank side and you start on the tree side, like I told you guys earlier in an earlier episode, 99.9% of the time, you are going to lose. But hey, it was still a fun day, and I had a good time. Though, I always kind of wondered what would happen if my M4 hadn't jammed up on me and we had gotten a few more people in that room. I bet we could have pulled it off and maybe switched out the flags. But hey, who knows? That's what could have happened. All I know is what did happen. So, still had a good time playing. Anyways, please stay tuned for the next operation. And I'll give you guys a hint right now. The next operation will be my last operation at OSG or through A.S.S.O Special Ops. So, please stay tuned for that, and I will let you know why it'll be my last operation there. The next operation is called Operation Hastings, so please stay tuned for those episodes because it's some really good game footage and it'll explain why I no longer play there. So thank you for watching another episode of Airsoft Mandalorian. Please subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. And until next time, don't forget, get out there and play.